Two East County families accusing Caltrans of desecrating their ancestors' graves will have to wait a little longer for action. It's a story that we first brought you yesterday ahead of today's court proceedings. 10 News reporter Dana Rice joins us now with how this all tied to a controversial casino.
The plaintiffs were not in court today, and now they'll have to wait until the hearing resumes next Tuesday. Meanwhile, their attorney says there is only one outcome that's acceptable. Two Native American families say 5 of their ancestors were buried along with sacred artifacts on this land in Jamul. Their attorney says the land has been a Native American cemetery for more than 100 years. In court, attorney Patrick Webb told a judge a contractor dug up the remains along with fill dirt, and then the attorney says Caltrans allowed the remains to be dumped on a construction site for a new freeway interchange in Otay Mesa. The lawsuit asks for a preliminary injunction to stop dumping any more dirt here. The land where the remains came from is being graded to make way for a $360 million casino at the Jamul Indian Village. The plaintiffs hope that doesn't happen.
We think they've been on notice, certainly since 2008, when I sent them the first letter to tell them that there were human remains buried at this site, to be prepared.
We tried to talk to attorneys for the defendant Caltrans, but they say they can't comment on a pending court case. Meanwhile, we did get a statement from the Jamul Indian Village, which is building this casino. They say they have no record of any remains being buried on this land in question legally. Reporting from downtown, Dana Rice, 10 News.
Caltrans is also tied to a county lawsuit over the Jamul Indian Village, and that case won't be heard until this summer.